Area of circle. Find the area of circle whose radius is 14 centimeter. Answer: area of circle is equal to pi r square is formula. Therefore here radius is given here 14 centimeter and pi value is always 22 by 7. Therefore pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 14, r square here, therefore write 14 two times. 14 into 14, 7 1 is 7 2 is 14, 22 2 is 44 into 14, this equal to 14 4 is 56, carry 5, again 14 4 is 56 plus 5, 61 centimeter square is area of circle.